Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a Valentine's pour. I've actually done a few, even though my husband and me are not big Valentine's people, but everyone was asking me, are you doing a Valentine's pour? So I did. I even got some balloons that were heart-shaped, but when I blown them up, that's as far as you can actually blow them that keeps the heart shape. You blow them any bigger and they look like something completely different. So that was a bit of a laugh that me and my husband had a bit of a laugh about, because yeah, only keep the heart shape if they're that tiny. So anyway, I might try something with those, but I think I'm going to do something a little bit different with my heart. I'm gonna do a black heart. It's not nothing that's what you call it, nothing depressing about it. I just decided that my heart should be black and then brought to life with colour. So that's what I'm going to do with this particular piece. So I'm just going to give my lovely little heart-shaped canvas a quick going over with the black, and I hope this works out. Hope it's you know, the colours that I'm going to put on it. Of course I've got the colours of love in the red and all of that, and we'll see how it goes. But for those people that celebrate Valentine's Day, this is for you, and those that don't, join me and my hubby. We're just another day. Just another day, but we're gonna have a nice day together anyway, with you guys joining us. So there you go. I think I've put way too much on there, so I might just tip a bit off. I know it's wasting the paint, but remember this has got probably 60% pouring medium in it, and this probably is a little bit thinner than I wanted to use, the paint consistency. But anyway, we will try it, see how we go. I might give that a bit of heat to make it burst those air bubbles there. Okie doke, carry on with this. Oh, where did I just put that crazy lady I am? Okay, we're gonna do the now there's coming the bit of the Valentine's-y bit. So that's the cool red, and I'm going to put in some magenta, and I'm going to go a very pale lilac. So my husband had that little heart scare, which he's got that irregular heartbeat, which he's got to live with apparently after put on tablets. And now this weekend he came out with shingles. So I guess that's from the stress of everything. So he's not having a very good run, is the poor old fella. But he's just been put on some antiviral medication. So I'm really hoping that, you know, this will be good for him. Rightio. That is my colours. So we've got the cool red, magenta, pale lilac and white. Just adding a bit more of this black that I've got, that I scraped off, because I'm going to do some catalyst wedge, or I might just use my well, it's kind of a catalyst wedge little tool here. Oh, look at that silly Jilly. Okay, rightio, I'll give that a bit of heat. It's not so much the black heart now. Now this little tool, it says it was from Plaid, So I must have got it in a kit maybe with some paints. I've used it loads of times over the years, just not very often. So I'm going to try, because this has got a smaller serrated edge, I am going to do some of the... Ooh, look at that. Looky. That's nice. Let's do some from here. Obviously you can't really see how effective these catalyst wedges are on such a small canvas. So I have got a nice huge canvas here that's waiting for me to do some playing around with it with the catalyst wedge, but on a huge canvas I think it definitely would be a nice thing to do. So the next thing I'm going to try on this particular one is, if I can find my tool, is I'm going to put a bit of the, this is a bit of the Amsterdam black and it's mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I want to give this a swipe over. Oh, see those lovely cells popped up. Just a few different techniques I just thought I might add to this. It's given it some lovely cells, so I just keep wiping it off in between so it doesn't get muddy. Beautiful cells coming up there. I'm just wondering if the side of my catalyst wedge might give more defined lines in this. Let's see. I think it's just because it's on the smaller canvas. I've got some more things planned for this one, so we'll try. And now I'm going to my balloon that is, actually should we try the little heart balloon? Let me give it a balloon with this balloon's just got a bit of water in it just to add a bit of weight. So it wouldn't be a Valentine's if it hadn't got kisses in it. So probably try to balloon it in the area that I haven't got those lovely cells, which is fine. That's beautiful. Just coming to life as you go along. So remember, I'm here to just show you the possibilities and then you just make it your own. You just take from it what you think you'd like on your canvas and make it your own. Still got a few of the cells around, which are lovely. Add those nice kisses. Might use a bit of the paint over here, over there. I think that's a little bit of a ragged heart, isn't it? This heart looks as though it's had some tears and, you know, along the way, but it's come out unscathed in the end. That's how you'd like to think you get through your life, with your heart getting a bit raggedy and well worn, and then you hopefully come out unscathed at the end. But I quite like this. So what do you guys think of the this particular heart with the catalyst wedge and the black background? I think it's quite striking. Now I don't want to use this in here because I don't think it's really gonna add anything to that piece whatsoever. So there you go. I think this particular piece will come up absolutely lovely when dry with a nice bit of resin on it. It'll really make it pop. So there was something for you guys for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love it. I think it's a good old raggedy heart, and I think it'll just be lovely. So thank you so much for joining me. If you like the colours and you want to do a different piece, then obviously it's you know, good thing. So my lovelies, please take care, and don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely or upset over anything whatsoever, please contact a family member or a friend, and if not, a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. There is always somebody there to listen and help you. So my lovelies, I will be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now. See these lovely cells in here? It is gorgeous. Look at those. How very delicious are those? Lovely movement in what the balloon helps me create. Yeah, and that's what the swipe with the Amsterdam paint and Floetrol gives you, that lovely effect. Lovely lacy effect. And of course the catalyst wedge gives you these lovely soft movement through your particular paint. See, a whole painting in a large long canvas, I reckon, just with those catalyst wedges. It looks so perfected. But that's very sweet. Sweetie, suck your feedie. Okay, that's me for the day. Bye for now.